Again, this is Doc Chris, your online family doctor, making medicine easy for you to have a healthy life. May tanong dito si Sir Carl Yeo. Doc, ako first time ko tumaas ang BP ko, nawala kasi physical activity ko at puro unhealthy diet. Nag-take ako ng medication for high blood. Okay na BP ko, sinubukan ko hindi uminom ng 2 days ng gamot. Pwede ko na bang itigil? Kasi I think sabi niya nanghihina daw siya. Now, let's dive into the case of Sir Carl. No? If you have been diagnosed with hypertension, it's best that you maintain your medication for a conceivable, valid amount of time for you to have a stable blood pressure. It's true na magkaroon ka ng blood pressure after 2 to 3 days nag-take ka ng gamot, meaning your medications were working. Okay? But the problem is if you discontinue your medications, the cycle will just continue. An increased blood pressure in the future might arise, and then if you continue that unhealthy diet as well as a lack of physical activity, it will just worsen your condition. So in this scenario, Sir Carl, I'm not the one that will decide for you, okay, to discontinue your medications or stop or encourage you na mag-stop ka na ng minom ng gamot. It's not for me to decide. It's for you and your attending doctor to decide, because in the first place, the doctor-physician relationship lies within you and your attending doctor, the one that prescribed your medication. And with that relationship being established, it's the doctor's responsibility to adjust the medication that is appropriate for you and control your blood pressure. Now, it's also your responsibility also to take care of your health, di ba? Kung alam mo naman na nagkaroon ka ng unhealthy habits like eating unhealthy food and having lack of physical activity, don't overdo it. Don't continue to do it. Better yet, improve a better lifestyle output. So provide more physical activity. Provide a more nutritious approach in your diet. And hypertension is a lifestyle disease. So it can be managed correctly, and if you need guidance, go to your doctor. It's important na siya yung mag-guide sa'yo sa gamutan. And in that scenario kasi sa mga pasyente namin, if let's say may ganito ang pasyente na nag-take siya ng gamot after a week, tapos sabihin niya, Dok, okay na yung blood pressure ko, nag-stop na ako. Well, for me as a doctor, I would feel disappointed. Una, kasi syempre, you know the reason why you had elevated blood pressure, then you stop your medication. The risk of developing complications in the future, pag bumalik ka dito na meron ka pang ibang sakit na related sa high blood mo, you develop heart disease because you did not continue your medication. It's not anyone's reason to blame someone, di ba? The problem there is we have to be committed, and if we are on a management and we are on a strict management to your health, you have to be responsible also to maintain that management. Okay? Kung maglo-lost to follow-up ka or kung hindi ka magiging consistent sa iyong management sa high blood, then you develop complications in the future, that will be not the problem of the doctor. It will just be another check-up again. But syempre, it will provide additional burden, financial strain, and at the same time, more complications, more visits to the clinic. So if you want to have peace of mind and wala pang ibang mga sakit na mauusbong, okay, because of uncontrolled hypertension, continue the management, continue the protocol that was provided to you by your doctor. Okay? Hindi ito panunumbat. Just go and follow your doctor. If you have questions, magtanong lang sa inyong doktor. Again, this is Doc Chris, your online family doctor, making medicine easy for you to have a healthy life.